Hey guys, in today's video we are checking out iFlyTech voice recorder, and this little device is going to come in handy because this is not just your ordinary voice recorder. This has AI and transcribes. I'm going to show you all the things this little handy device does coming up. Alright guys, so shout out to iFlyTech. They make a great translation device, which I had reviewed in a previous video, and if you haven't seen it, that video is up above. So let's go ahead and open this. And I did kind of set this up ahead of time, and this is very small. And really the only thing that it comes with is going to be the manual and of course another charging cable. What I like about this is that it's small, it's lightweight, and the battery life is insane. So it takes about 1 hour to fully charge this. And after 1 hour of fully charging, it provides up to 175 hours of battery life. Yeah, you heard me right, up to 175 hours of battery life in this little device. So that is amazing. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the features on this, okay? So if you can see right on the front here, we have 2 directional microphones. And here we have 4 omnidirectional microphones. And they record up to 10 meters with clear sound. Here we have the power button. And over here is the record button, 1 touch. And 1 touch to end it. And on our screen here, of course, it's going to transcribe. So it's got 4 modes for recording: intelligence, conference, interview, and speech modes. And it provides customized microphone and noise reduction solutions based on the recording scenario. So very handy dandy. Another thing, like I said, it's super small and lightweight, but still with a nice big visible screen. So the size of this, 1.8 inches wide and 4.6 inches in length. And this thing weighs 3.53 ounces. I mean, that's nothing. Easy to put in your pocket. Let's go ahead and test this out, and basically I'll just talk about how I went to the market and bought some ingredients for dinner last night. And let's see just how well it transcribes, okay? Now you can put, when you activate this, you can put a pin on it, which I did to protect your recordings. You don't want everybody maybe to listen in on your recordings. So the pin number activates it. So again, 1 touch. All right, yesterday I went to the market to buy ingredients to make Italian chicken and potatoes with herbs. So when I went to the market, they had everything that I needed. So I gathered all my groceries, and then I quickly went back home and I put all the ingredients all together in my slow cooker and cooked it for about 5 hours, and now I have meals for about 5 nights. And now we're saving it. Let's view it and see. So now we can go to My Files. You can see it on there. Should be the second one. Alright, yesterday I went to the market to buy ingredients to make Italian chicken and potatoes with herbs. So when I went to the market, they had everything that I needed, so I gathered all my groceries, and then I quickly went back home and I put all the ingredients all together in my slow cooker and cooked it for about 5 hours, and now I have meals for about 5 nights. Okay, so you saw how well it did there. Clearly recorded it. It cut out, I had an ambulance go by, it basically cut that noise out. And it transcribed it pretty perfectly, I would say. So now let's go ahead and plug this into the computer. And we'll just go ahead and take a USB-C and plug it directly in. Okay, my computer recognizes it. So let me flip the screen around. Okay, so you're going to come down here, you're going to select Export Files. Now you'll come to the computer screen. And it should be the one right here. So you have either the Word document or the voice recording on your laptop. We're opening up the Word document. Okay, here it is. Yesterday I went to the market to buy ingredients to make Italian chicken and potatoes, herbs. When I went to the market, they had everything that I needed, so I gathered all my groceries. Then I quickly went back home and I put all the ingredients all together in my slow cooker and cooked it for about 5 hours, and now I have meals for about 5 nights. So it does really just a lot of things. I mean, you can go back and you can have it, the transcription. So for me, with video editing and stuff, I can come up with an idea about a video, put it into here, and then I can kind of read off of it, kind of like a teleprompter as I'm doing a video, you know. So really handy device. And if you want to pick up one of these right now, you can head over to Amazon, and there will be a link, of course, in the description and also the pinned comment. Right now, these are selling for $249.99. At the time of this video, there is a $50 coupon that you can apply, making it $199.99, and that is worth it for a device like that. Again, pick yourself up one of these. If you do a lot of Zoom meetings, conference calls, you need to transcribe what your meeting was about, or you do anything like what I do, where voicing your ideas and then having it transcribed, and also 5 different languages. Really handy device. Check it out. Again, also, if you haven't seen the video for their translation device, that is up above. Check that video out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next product review. Ciao.